The warm and abundant energy of summer is finally here, and with it comes new opportunities for new magic. The summer solstice, or Litha, is a powerful time for channeling our own inner light, when the sun is in its peak of power, and all around the world is full of life. Whether you do this ritual on the solstice or not, summer is my favorite time to perform this simple spell, and that is known as sun water. Sun water is just like moon water. The process of making it is identical. It just has a different energy. The moon connects to our emotions, our intuition, and our shadow selves, while the sun is aligned with our ego and our personality. It brings confidence, creativity, happiness, and prosperity. Therefore, this ritual is very simple to follow and can be done in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to find something to store your sun water in. For this, I'm just using a simple glass jar, but you are welcome to use a cup or a bowl if you prefer. Next, fill up your water. As you do this, focus your intention into it. Use the water filling the jar as a symbol of filling it with your power. If you don't have a certain intention you'd like to add to the water, just focus on channeling the healing energy of the sun in its many forms. You can also do this by holding the jar in your hands afterwards and consecrating the energy with your intention in mind, visualizing it going down your arms, into your hands, and into the jar. Next, find a sunny spot to store your jar where it will not be tampered with. Make sure you also only leave it out when the sun is out, as it is sun water and we want to keep it purely that, and not collect the energy of the moon within it. After you have set your intention and found a sunny spot, you are all done. At this step, you are also welcome to decorate around the sun water jar with corresponding pieces such as herbs and crystals to help amplify the energy even more so. And once your sun water is finished, you can use it for a variety of spells and rituals to honor deities, to channel the summer solar energy, to bring about strength and confidence, and so much more. I hope this video has helped you, and I hope that you have a very blessed summer solstice.